Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix checkpoint required error on your Instagram on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, if you're facing this type of problem, it's showing here checkpoint required, then I'll show you how can you fix this. Just simply what you have to do, open App Store or Play Store, and then after that what you need to do is just simply search here for Instagram, and after that what you need to do is just simply check if any update available here, then you have to update your Instagram. And after that what you need to do is just simply open settings and then scroll it on from here, tap on general. And after doing this what you need to do is just simply tap on iPhone storage, and then from here what you need to do is just simply search for your specific app. I mean, you have to search for Instagram, and you have to tap on Instagram and upload your app from here. In case of Android phone, you have to clear all your cache and storage. So after doing this, what you need to do is just simply open Instagram. So let me tell you that when you have cleared all storage or cache and you have upload your app, you don't be able to see your drafts in Instagram. So what you need to do is just simply open Instagram. So after that what you need to do is just simply tap on your profile here, and then tap on three lines, go to settings, and then tap on account. And at the first number you can see here personal information, just simply tap on this. And from here what you need to do is just simply verify your email or phone number from here. So after doing this, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem selects there, then what you need to do is just simply uninstall your app from here. After this what you need to do is just simply reinstall the app and restart your iPhone or Android phone. And after doing all these things, I'll guarantee your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.